Hello mga kapitbahay, my name is Dave Sultura at isa ako sa mga voice actors sa Voice Actors at Home PH, and I'm also a demo reel producer. Today we're going to answer the question, ano ang mga katangian ng isang epektibong demo reel? Or, what are the elements of an effective demo reel? 1. An effective demo reel has great voice acting. Kahit ikaw pa yung pinakamagaling na demo reel producer sa buong mundo, you cannot fix bad acting with bad mixing. Pero kung ikaw yung pinakamahusay na voice actor sa buong mundo, kahit amateur pa yung demo producer mo, at ang kaya niya lang is mag-normalize ng audio, your acting will still shine through. Kaya yung best demo producers, sasabihin nila sa'yo, uy, teka lang mukhang kailangan pa nating i-workshop ng onti yung voice acting mo. So, before you get a demo reel produced, try to get some voice acting training first para sulit yung bayad mo sa demo. I know a lot of people na dahil gusto agad nila magpagawa ng demo, 6 months later, after taking an advanced acting class, magpapagawa ulit sila ng demo. That's why it's equally important to work with a reputable voice acting coach who can help draw out yung acting skill mo when you are recording your demo reel. 2. An effective demo reel highlights your voice acting. Merong demo reels na naka-criticize for being overproduced. Sobrang dami na nung effects na naririnig mo. Nandiyan na yung barilan, ang dami ng explosions, para ka nang nanonood ng Transformers or Avengers. Pero sa dami ng effects, natatabunan na yung boses mo. Minsan naisip ko rin, siguro astig yun kung gagamitin namin ng 3D sound yung demo reel so that para kang nanonood ng IMAX movie or Avatar. Pero a good rule of thumb when producing a demo kasi is that your voice is panned right at the center and it will stick out the most. Okay sana yun kung mixing reel siya, but it is a voice acting demo reel. So we should highlight the voice acting, not the effects. 3. An effective demo reel has a strong hook. You have 4 seconds to make sure that casters and directors listen to your demo from start to finish. That said, hindi uso yung slating sa US style demo reels. Slating is yung pag sinimulan mo yung demo mo with a Dave Sultura 2005 animation demo reel. I guess for some people that's cool, but it's also a waste of time. Kasi after ng slate, dun ka pala magsisimulang mag-perform Imagine that's kind of like Dave Sultura 2005 animation demo reel. Stay away from my friends! Bago ka pa umabot sa attention-grabbing part, nabore mo na yung casting director and nag-skip na siya. Disclaimer lang that this primarily applies to the US voice acting scene. Here in the Philippines, hindi standardized yung demo reels So for your hook or for the first spot in your demo reel, you should use the best voice na kaya mo or yung pinakamabenta mong boses and pair that with your best acting. 4. An effective demo reel demonstrates your full vocal range. By that, I don't mean na kailangan mo mag-stuff ng 1,000 voices sa demo mo if you can do that many. What I mean is, as much as possible, kailangan dinig sa demo mo na kaya mo mag-boses bata hanggang boses matanda. Or another perspective is, dinig yung treble mo, dinig din yung bass mo. As a general rule, the more voices you can make, the more roles you can land, and therefore increasing your overall income. 5. An effective demo reel demonstrates your full emotional range. Full emotional range. Classic mistake ng mga demo is meron kang 2 spots na very similar yung emotion na ini-evoke. Kunwari, yung isang section, I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. Tapos yung isang section naman, oh boy, I'm so hungry, I could eat a whale. Okay naman, yung nauna is very determined and pangalawa is very gutom, pero parehas silang bubbly and energetic. So as much as possible, try to make the emotions as distinct from each other as possible. Making sure na walang emotion na nauulit, that would be the best. Number 6, and this one's gonna be a bit more advanced, an effective demo reel showcases emotional agility. One classic demo reel mistake is sa isang scene, isang emotion lang din yung napakita mo. Okay lang naman yun, but better if you have at least a couple of spots na hina-highlight kung gaano kabilis yung pagpalit mo from one emotion to another. Something like, Danica, Daddy's home, I brought your favorite fried chicken. Danica? Danica? Okay, I'm not gonna go all out kasi ang lungkot ng premise, but you get the point. Your demo should have a scene or two that shows that you can go from frightened to confident, despairing to hopeful, etc. Dapat kaya mo magpalit ng emotions in a snap. So that's it for this video. Sana nakatulong. See you guys next time. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, Voice Actors at Home PH. And if you want to go all out on your voice acting career, make sure to hit all notifications. Or you can watch this video over here.